What do you hear, Luke?
A lot of cymbals.
Yeah, me too.
Not enough kick.
All right.
Oh, maybe in comparison. You're there now, but